Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you No Limit Fabrication's new style turbo conversion for the 11 to 14 6.7 Ford Powerstroke. So if you're an 11 to 14 6.7 Powerstroke owner, you know one of the nicest drivability features of that truck is the stock turbocharger. Really quick spool up. You know, along with all the other features that came along with the 6.7 Powerstroke engine, the turbo that they used in that truck was revolutionary and just made super nice drivability. The problem with the turbo in the 11 to 14 Powerstrokes was it was very failure prone. The ceramic bearings didn't do well, and also the turbo was very prone to overspeeding when you tuned it. So in 2015, when the new style turbo came out, a lot of guys were converting over to that 2015 to 2019 style turbocharger. Well, when the conversion first came out, it was a big job to do, and as time's gone on, manufacturers like No Limit Fabrication have come up with just a better mousetrap. So this is their drop-in turbo conversion to get you to the 2015 style, 2015 and up style turbo for your 11 to 14 truck, and we're going to go over it here today. So this kit, first off, is going to be 1 year unlimited mileage warranty from No Limit Fabrication. And as you can see, everything that you've got laid out here is all that comes in the full conversion kit. This is 6 pieces versus 65 pieces in some of the other conversion kits that we deal with out here in the industry today. It's going to install in approximately 1/4 of the time. 1/4 of the time to do the installation on this, because you're retaining your stock manifold, stock downpipe, stock everything on this, and get you to the newer style, more robust charger. So with this offering from No Limit Fabrication, they're going to offer it in 3 different sizes. So the Stage 0, and the Stage 0 is going to be a 5962 charger. That's going to be your charger for your drop-in stock trucks or lightly tuned. Now this, on the Stage 0 charger, the 2015 charger, one of the disadvantages of the new style Powerstroke charger was it was a little bit laggier than what the 11 to 14 charger was and what guys were used to in that drivability. The Stage 0 from No Limit Fabrication is going to spool up much better than the stock 2015 style charger, so just keep that in mind. They're also going to offer the performance-minded guys the Stage 1, which is a 6263, and the Stage 2, which is 6467. And in each of the 3 turbo offerings that they're going to offer, you can get the whistle option. So if you want the no whistle, you can get no whistle. If you want the whistle option, it's a free upgrade on the turbo. You can get that as well. Now, the turbos are built with 360-degree thrust bearings, which adds another layer of reliability to the chargers. And then the kit comes with everything that you see here. Now, I'm not going to break down every single part of the kit because we're going to be doing an installation on this charger. You can watch our installation video, and you can look at the separate pieces of the kit. But what you see here on this table is all you've got to do for an 1114 truck to convert over to the 2015 up style turbo. So big shout out to No Limit Fabrication for sending us this kit for our installation in this unboxing video for you today. If you have any questions about this turbo, the conversion, or anything from No Limit Fabrication, just give us a call, and we appreciate you watching. Little addendum here. This turbo conversion works with full emissions on in the trucks, and also we suggest that you get tuning for the vehicle, and the tuning will be to give you the best drivability with the 2015 and up style charger in your truck.